Morning students. Last part we learnt Robert tried to discourage John in many ways, but we can see that John is a person of immense faith when she says confidently that winning the battle cannot be difficult. If God is on one side, everything is possible. So students, like John, you also be confident and work hard. Everything is possible. Okay, you also be confident and work hard. Everything is possible. Now see next page number 32. Till here I completed. Now page number 32, Robert. Okay, grimly. Have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? Have you ever seen them plundering, burning, turning the countryside into a desert? Have you heard no tales of their prince, who is the devil himself, or of the English king's father? Now again, grimly means seriously, Robert said, have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? Have you ever seen? Country girl, have you ever seen them plundering? Plundering means looting, okay? Burning, turning the countryside into a desert. Deserted, okay? No people, no trees, nothing, okay? Deserted. They turn the countryside into a desert. Who? English soldiers, okay? Have you heard no tales of their prince, who is the devil? Devil means evil, evil act, devil, okay? Devil himself, or of the English king's father. You never heard their stories. Tales means stories of their prince, who is the devil himself. Devil means bad qualities, evil, okay? Bad. Or of the English king's father. That means he again explained her how ruthless soldiers were. Okay, how ruthless English soldiers were. Again, Robert want to convince her as well as discourage her. Okay, now next, again John, you do not understand, Squire. Captain, you do not understand. Our soldiers are always beaten. Beaten means lose the battle. That means, okay, because they are fighting only to save their skins. They are all fighting only to save their skins. That means to save their lives. Okay, save their skins. And the shortest way to save your skin is to run away. That's why they all run away from the battlefield. That only the reason. Okay, they want to save their lives. That's why they all run away from the battlefield. But I will teach them all to fight for France. I will teach them how to fight for France. Okay, then they will drive the soldiers before them like a sheep. Now afterwards our soldiers drew them out like a sheep. Okay, you and Polly will live to see the day. You and Polly, please, okay, you watch it, when there will not be a single English soldier on the soil of France. Okay, these all who said? John said. Okay, now listen, see here one question given. Why were the French soldiers always beaten? Okay, see here, our means you remove that our, you write French. Okay, French soldiers are always beaten dash 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 till run away. After that you add from the battlefield. Run away from the battlefield. Here to run away from the battlefield. Okay, answer. Now see one more question. See here, I will teach them all to fight for France. Which tense? Which tense? I will, after subject will, then verb 1. Simple future tense. Okay, now change the sentence into future continuous tense. I will be teaching them all to fight for France. Okay, now see page number 33, page number 33. Robert to Pollengy. This may all be nonsense, Polly, but the troops might just be inspired by it, though nothing that we say seems to put any fire into them. Even the Doppin might believe it, and if she can put some fight into him, she can put it into anybody. Now, see, here again Robert said, but the troops means here soldiers or armed forces, soldier or armed forces might just be inspired by it. Okay, they all inspired by her. Though nothing that we say seems to put any fire into them. We don't have any, not so many soldiers, all that like English, okay. Even the Doppin might believe it. Doppin also believe her. If she can put some fight into him, if she can put some confidence into him, she can put it into anybody. She had confidence, so she can put it into anybody. Who said? Robert said. Okay. This all shows her courage if she can put that all. Okay. Now see next again Robert turning to John. Now you listen to me and don't cut in before. Don't cut in before means interrupt. Okay, don't interrupt in between. Don't talk in between. I have time to think. I want time to think. Your orders are that you are to go to Chinan under the escort of this gentleman and 3 of his friends. Okay, actually your order means what? What you want? You want that you are to go to Chinan. You want to go Chinan under the escort. Escort means actually welcome or take one who guards and accompanies. Okay, accompanies them along with many are ready to go with you. No, of this gentleman and 3 of his friends. You want to go where? Chinan. That only your order. No. Who said? Robert said. Let me think, he said. Okay. Now John, radiant, clasping her hands means firmly grasped tightly with one's hand. Firmly grasped tightly with one's hand. Oh, thank you, Squire. Oh, thank you, Squire. Okay, glowing brightly, radiant means glowing brightly. After that, clasping, firmly grasped tightly with one's hand. Okay, oh, thank you, Squire. Okay, now Pollengy again. How is she to get into the royal presence? Now, again, Pollengy said, how she to get into the royal presence. Actually, the above question was asked by Monsieur Pollengy to the Captain Squire Robert. You also like her confidence. You also already given her permission like that. Okay, Pollengy said, how is she to get into the royal presence? Now, Captain Robert also ready to send her Chinan. That means, okay. Now again Robert, I don't know how did she get into my presence. I will send her to Chinan and she can say I sent her. Then let come what may. I can do no more. Let come what may. That means let anything happen. I am ready to send her. Now John, and the dress? I may have a soldier's dress, Squire. Now again John asking, okay, I may have a soldier's dress. Squire, I want dress, no, and the dress where it is? I may have a soldier's dress, Squire. Okay, now again John remind him, okay. Next Robert, take what you please, what you want to take, okay. I wash my hands of it. That means not take any responsibility for it. Okay, I wash my hands off it. Clear? Now see again John. Widely excited by her success, means she got permission, so she become happy. That means okay. Come Polly, she dashes out, she run out. That means okay. Dashes out means run out, runs. Okay. Robert, again Robert, shaking Polanji's hand. Okay, why? He had given permission, no? So goodbye old man. Now Polanji means little old man. That means okay, I am taking a big chance. Few other men, see, few other men would have done it. Few other men would have done it. But as you say, there is something about her. As you say, no, there is something about her. Okay. Yes, there is something about her. Good boy. Yes, there is something about her. See here, there is something about her. Add a question tag. Is auxiliary verb is there? So, isn't there? Isn't there? Okay, question tag. Now see here, question. Question given. What did John want? What? Here only. She want soldier's dress. Okay. John wants soldier's dress. Next. Here one more question is given. Here see. Okay. What made Robert finally agree to the plan? Because he was convinced about John, her faith, or the concept of miracles. He did so because of persistent convincing on Polanyi's part, the French army's beaten condition, and John's firm confidence. That's why he agreed to the plan. At last, okay? Who? Robert. Thank you.